The seven wonders of the world refer to extraordinary man-made structures that are celebrated for their architectural grandeur, historical importance, and cultural influence. Over time, there have been two main categories: the ancient wonders, which are mostly lost to history, and the new wonders, chosen through a global poll in 2007 to represent remarkable global landmarks. The ancient seven wonders were notable structures around the Mediterranean and the Middle East, known for their architectural and artistic achievements. However, most of them were destroyed by earthquakes or fires. Only one remains intact today, the Great Pyramid of Giza. These ancient wonders symbolize the human capability to create monuments that defy the challenges of time. Great Pyramid of Giza. It is located in Egypt, the only ancient wonder still standing. It was built around 2560 BCE as a tomb for the Egyptian pharaoh Khufu. Its massive size and precision engineering make it one of the greatest achievements of ancient engineering. Hanging Gardens of Babylon. It is located in Iraq, modern-day name Baghdad. Believed to have been an extensive garden filled with exotic plants, built by King Nebuchadnezzar II for his wife. However, no concrete evidence of its existence has been found, and its true nature remains a mystery. Statue of Zeus at Olympia. It is located in Greece. A giant statue of the god Zeus, made by the sculptor Phidias around 435 BCE. It stood in the temple of Zeus and was renowned for its size and gold and ivory adornments. Temple of Artemis at Ephesus. It is located in Turkey. A grand temple dedicated to the goddess Artemis, known for its massive scale and intricate sculptures. It was destroyed and rebuilt several times before finally being lost to history. Mausoleum at Halicarnassus. It is located in Turkey. A massive tomb built for Mausolus, a Persian satrap, and his wife. It was so grand that the term mausoleum is now used for grand tombs. Colossus of Rhodes. It is located in Greece. A towering bronze statue of the sun god Helios, erected to celebrate Rhodes' victory over Cyprus. It was destroyed by an earthquake just 56 years after its completion. Lighthouse of Alexandria. It is located in Egypt. One of the tallest structures of its time, guiding sailors safely to the harbor of Alexandria. It was a technological marvel of ancient engineering but was destroyed by earthquakes. New Seven Wonders of the World. The New Seven Wonders were chosen through a global vote organized by the New Seven Wonders Foundation in 2007. They represent iconic landmarks from across the globe, showcasing humanity's enduring creativity and engineering brilliance. Great Wall of China. It is located in China. An extensive wall built over centuries to protect Chinese states from invasions. It stretches over 13,000 miles and remains an iconic symbol of China's rich history. Petra. It is located in Jordan. An ancient city carved into rock cliffs, known for its water system and stunning architecture. Petra was the capital of the Nabatae Kingdom and is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Christ the Redeemer. It is located in Brazil. A giant statue of Jesus Christ standing atop Corcovado Mountain in Rio de Janeiro. Built in 1931, it symbolizes Christianity and peace and overlooks the city, offering panoramic views. Machu Picchu. It is located in Peru. An ancient Incan city high in the Andes Mountains. It was abandoned in the 16th century during the Spanish conquest and rediscovered in 1911. Machu Picchu is admired for its well-preserved stone buildings and terraced farms. Chichén Itzá. It is located in Mexico. A large Mayan city famous for its pyramid, the Temple of Kukulkan. Chichén Itzá was a significant political and economic center of the Mayan civilization, known for its astronomical alignment. Roman Colosseum. It is located in Italy. An ancient amphitheater in the heart of Rome, once used for gladiatorial contests, public spectacles, and dramatic performances. The Colosseum remains a symbol of the Roman Empire's architectural genius. Taj Mahal. It is located in India. A white marble mausoleum built by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife, Mumtaz Mahal. The Taj Mahal is considered one of the most beautiful buildings in the world, symbolizing eternal love. Importance of the wonders. These wonders are important not only for their architectural achievements but also for their cultural and historical significance. They remind us of humanity's ability to create awe-inspiring structures, reflecting the values, beliefs, and advancements of their time. Today, they are major tourist attractions and symbols of national pride for their respective countries. Thank you for watching Niksu Info. Please subscribe and follow for further videos.